Very good. Ako'y kasi Enforcement Directorate की ममांगदा protest तौजरी बसी Congress Party के कोई leader Madam Sonia Gandhi की अमसुंग leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi जी की मथकता ED ना सार्सित तौरपा अमसुंग मसी National Herald कमरी लेना ना सार्सित तौरपा से Congress Party ना nationwide protest तौजरी मसी दसु मणिपुर के कोई मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी ना protest तौजरी मसी की हाई बसी ED सी BJP की खुलाई हुई नसीदबा कोई यानिंग दे अमसुंग मारा लेतबा कोई लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्री राहुल गांधी जी माकी मथकता ED ना सार्सित तौको यानिंग दे मैडम सोनिया गांधी माकी मथकता सु ED ना सार्सित तौको से यानिंग दे हाई बगी protest ता मसी कोई मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी ना ED की ऑफिस ममांगता protest तौजबनी
오늘 자기네 또 그런 것이 못해.
nationwide state kudimak kamusu ini territory kudimakta haiba asigi protest sisatari
사실은 그리 말로 외신 경우에
사시다 national herald kesida masida akoi congress party da investment tawi amasung tawdi haibaduni but already national herald sigi matangda akoi congress na masigi clarification pikre amasung masida paisa invest tawgi involvement amata laite madu oina haiba akoi ED na tawi basi masi political vendetta ni amasung masi intimidation tawa masi kihan ba political party ki leadership kihan laga jail da thamgani hai bagi try taro pase masi democracy ku singna bani maram aduna masi kumba vendetta politics amasung intimidation tawba ni bu ki hanba rajniti tawina ba masi anda ki hanba se masi ai khone yaning da bagi masi ki protest ase tawjabani
masi koi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na organized tawga Enforcement Directorate State Unity branch office mamanga koi protest dharna tawjari bise koi Madam Sonia Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, Matakta. National Hero Live, see, Mayamsi and the Kambira Magani. India, Hanan, Pandit, Prime Minister Pandit Dolan, the Yugi Matamdagi, General Paramani Masi. Matam Dutaki Hona, Adum, India, Han Hanba, Hibashuyar, General Amani Masi, Masigi Matams Leda, Lan Prasar Toksalaga. Oi, details are today. Moina sarsi ta mai haja lagasi yaroi kota hayeng trial sathar ko kandada madu ki sabta ba evidence pi bang amdragadi moi ta conviction pi ba ta tandi pi ba haji yaroi adubu nasai mathak so koi haja gi buduri india gi opposition gi political party leadership se karim ta movement to bang amdana ba haina threaten to ba haiba tare karim ta haiba amdana ba haina to ba siba political vendetta hoi se Masi koi Congress Party na strongly condemn tawi haidna nationwide masi ngasi protest tawi si sila Manipur da na tiba India gi state puding gi mapang puding tani koi protest tawi deri si masi na democracy gi wahan poksil le do ba national justice le do ba adubo ultimately ko nadi kota trial sa taragadi maran pibang amoy nahan kaya rap na kauhe Madam Sonia Gandhi ju Rahul ji kung kaya detail taw na hangay ama hangre kung siya mo sumuan taw na charge tawre hay masi kung yaning de masi strongly condemn tawi hay na kung masi protest na si taw
As a national protest today, you have come out to protest in front of the ED, Enforcement Director here in Chimairo. So, will you kindly tell me what else?
This is as we have already explained, already briefed. ED number of times summoned Madam Sonia Gandhi and Rahul ji also. Unnecessarily, they are trying to harass. We will not spare whatever they have done. Only justice will come while trial has been processed and procedure after trial. Nothing will be there. So we are strongly condemned. This is not only in Manipur branch, nationwide, each and every state where there is enforcement director's office is there, in front of them we are protest this dharna. So we are strongly condemned. If they are using this like CBI and the ED as a political instrument, then meaning of this democracy will be ultimately narrowed down. So we are strongly condemning.
Since day one, when the BJP took place in the central government, has been dictating, has been trying to suppress the Congress movement and other regional political party. How would you look such type of attitude from the BJP?
That's why BJP, nature of BJP, whatever they have run there, anywhere, every state, where there is opposition leader is there, they are targeting. They could not succeed, and ultimately justice will prevent justice.
Yes, let me tell you. And this is this protest is done by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee in front of the ED office. ED's office is here. Now we are protesting in front of the ED office. This is because of this. Our leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, and Madam Sonia Gandhi ji, they are succeeded. This is against the ED. Because they succeeded to our leader. And in fact, it is the vendetta, political vendetta, and also intimidations that they are threatening to our leader, to the opposition political parties. They are threatening. This is the way that BJP is bulldozing the opposition political party. This is in fact, it is the matter of democracy, and whoever, whatever the political party, the BJP is bulldozing. That is why this term is the vendetta, politics, and also intimidations. Those opposition political parties are trying at any cost, at anyhow, they are going to destabilize the activities of the political party. That is why we are protesting with all these youth leaders, Mahila, the senior leaders of the Congress party protesting in front of the ED office here in Imphal, Manipur. Thank you.
No, no, department hai ba dunga power sector ki na asum thabak ta taw do ba dunga department na arama ka taro pa asum taw do ba asum department na sina adu ba na to chana ho taro ba BJP ki ulal na sina ba asik ba sigi da mata asi akoina party ni chini chini na wakas ka asik no ba what is the nas sacha bani Bandi kaya kita haida aku itu acum bapabi kamu tak aku seperti dia hati Congress party nama tu pun bahawa dia setiap orang lawan bahawa kita setiap orang lawan tu macam kan ni kita Congress party nama si kau lalu lain masih siapa tahu masih ni bahawa tak acum betul sih bahawa kis dalam kau yang sih acum bahawa macam tu dah hakam sih haida kalau tu kalau nasi betul ni ada ini di pamen tu bahawa semua alam betul macam yang lain TV dia Congress party lagi bagi kita masih betul macam macam terjun jalan. BJP dengan saswantina target tauraga atau opposition si press tauna bahana ba public voice में हमसे press tauna bahana ba masih Rahul Gandhi amasung Sonia Gandhi ka siri ba maral si 365 days ki matam tigna bane ado nasi 365 days ubun mita kese mu open ta pa hai se masi se nahandagi 355 days to daidawga lai uge hai se adra 356 days ubun mita mona na hongna pa hai se masi makoida karigumba evidence amata laite hai se masi na mayek senge ado nasi ko case luram da mona reopen ta open hai se asida adum proof tawjare aduna masidi democracy sa palai baka opposition laite na bahana ba adu ba BJP gi tam sason gi dictatorship gi oiba ne haidra oi lewe smai tawjare
Yagi opposition की political party leadership से करीब तक movement तो वो ngam ba haina action to ba haiban tane करीब दा haiban ngam ba haina to ba political vendetta होई बसे कोई Congress party ना strongly condemn to we haina nationwide Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na organized होगा Enforcement Directorate State Unity Branch Office Mamanga protest Narna to Madam Sonia Gandhi leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi matata national hero hai si mayam nu se ani miram kani India ki anan ba prime minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ki matam ki general paper amani mase matam ki hona India ki anan ba hai su yar bani general amani masi ki matam se da lan prashar tokshalaga koi detail charge chiti moina charge chita ai hajal yaroi kota hayeng trial sathar kanada madu sabja ba evidence piba ngamdragadi moi ka conviction piba ja dandi piba haji yaroi aduko ngasai matak jo koi haji biduri yagi opposition ki political party leadership se karimta movement to ngamdana ba haina action to ba haibantane karimta haibantana ba haina to sikuba political vendetta way mase Congress party na strongly condemn the way nationwide machine protest the way sila Manipur da na tiya idagi state putting him up putting the protest of the way machine democracy one natural justice ultimately quality kota trial sa taragati maranti bang moy nahan karat na kofre Madam Sonia Gandhi ju Rahul ji ju kaya detail tawra baya mahapre but so much more tawra charge tawre hajji koi yani ke machi strongly contain tawri hai koi machi ki protest starna thank you